All right, welcome back to another episode with your favorite teacher, Miss Story. Today we're talking about dilations. You guys have actually seen dilations last year in 7th grade. We called them similar figures when we used our scale factor. Okay, so now in 8th grade we are calling them a dilation. It is a transformation that produces an image that is the same shape as the original, but a different size. So a dilation is similar to the original figure, and they will always be centered around the origin unless specified. All right. Now, in order to create our dilation, we're going to use our scale factor just like we did with similar figures last year in 7th grade. So we'll have our image length over our pre-image length, which is a ratio. If the scale factor is greater than 1, then the figure becomes bigger. If the scale factor is between 0 or 1, meaning a fraction, the figure becomes smaller. And we will often see this as expands and reduces. So be aware of those words. Okay. So let's take a look at our example. Okay, we're going to start with point A, which is at the point 1, 1. And we're going to look at A prime in our image. A prime is at 2, 2. Now let's take a look at B in our pre-image. It's at the point 4, 1. And when we do our dilation, B prime in our image is now at the point 8, 2. Looking back at our pre-image again at C, C is at the point 2, 4. In our image, C prime is at the point 4, 8. So I want you to take a second and look at what we are doing from our pre-image points to our image points. How did we get those? Okay, if you notice, each of them, each coordinate is being multiplied by 2. So the scale factor is 2. So to get our dilation, we're going to take our pre-image and we're going to multiply it to our scale factor. And that's going to give us our image points. Okay, so again, multiply by your scale factor. And that's it.